Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. So I'm just coming on to gonna work you through my skincare routine. We have this fabulous skincare sale on that's going on till Sunday. So right now I have my Rejuvenate oil in my hair, and I got one of these hair wraps in one of my grab bags. So I'm trying that out. I'm gonna leave it sit for a while and let it get warm and have the oil absorb into my scalp and hair. So first off, I'm going to wash with my Be Balanced facial cleanser, foamy cleanser. So I'm gonna go wet my face and get this applied. So there you go. I've applied my foamy cleanser. I just added a bit more water, and now I foamed it all up on my face, getting those skin all clean. So now I'm going to take my wonderful Norwex rag that I really love for my face cloth, and I'm going to wash this off, and then we're going to do an exfoliation. So that'll be up next with my wonderful Berry Refined Scrub. I really love the scrub, and it's... Hello, I'm coming back now after my face is nicely washed with the Be Balanced Foamy Cleanser, and we're going to use my Berry Refined Scrub. And I exfoliate it, and then I just apply it to my face. So I get that all over. I really try to avoid the eye area because that, of course, that is sensitive skin and different type of skin. So there we go. I've applied the Berry Refined Scrub all over. Help her, and it spins and it vibrates. Oops, gotta hold it. Spins and vibrates and has about 10 different levels, I do believe. And you know, you would just use that to help exfoliate your skin. There, now it's starting to foam up. So that's good. So when you add water after you wait your 10 minutes and it foams up. And there we go. So it's great for exfoliation. It's a once a week kind of treatment. So I do this on the weekends because I let it sit for 10 minutes. Well, I'm back, and oh, my skin is also nice and soft after that exfoliation. So next step after we've cleansed our face is to add the skin revitalizing essence. Pour a little bit in your hand, and then you don't want to rub, you just want to press it into your face. And this is going to prepare your skin to accept the treatment. So it's going to target hydration for your skin and fine lines. So it's a lightweight skin essence water treatment. So and that prepares your skin for the next part. So then my next step is this wonderful eye smooth again. This is one of my favorite products, and it's made my eyes look so much better than a couple of years ago when I wasn't using it. We use our ring finger because that's delicate skin around our eyes, so we want to apply it to the the black circles under there, your little wrinkles over here, and don't do the eyelid, just do the up above there, and I add it to my 11 spot to help that. So I also have the Hydrate and Refresh face mist. So I've been working here for a while and I can tell it's a little dry, so I'm just going to spritz that on, and again that'll help the moisturizer activate on my face with my skincare moisturizer, whether I use the Be Balanced moisturizer during the day. So it's a lightweight moisturizer for normal to combination skin. So I have a little bit of dry, a little bit of oily, but mostly dry. But I find this really hydrates, and don't forget your neck. And then, yeah. So that'll be my skincare for the day, using all these wonderful products that are on sale this weekend till Sunday.